Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.4221 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.4110 1.4241. The earlier day close, 1.4060. The change was plus 0.0161, plus 1.15%. Converse rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost 1.37 rands, high 1.47, low 1.27. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost 1.40 rands, high 1.50, low 1.30. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost 1.36 rands, high 1.46, low 1.26. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, May 11, cost 1.38 rands, high 1.48, low 1.28. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost 1.39 rands, high 1.49, low 1.29. And multi-week Dogecoin estimate on Monday, May 15, cost 1.38 rands, high 1.48, low 1.28. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost 1.34 rands, high 1.43, low 1.25. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, May 17, cost 1.37 rands, high 1.47, low 1.27. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost 1.39 rands, high 1.49, low 1.29. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, May 19, cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. In about 14 days, Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost 1.40 rands, high 1.50, low 1.30. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, May 23, cost 1.40 rands, high 1.50, low 1.30. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost 1.40 rands, high 1.50, low 1.30. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, May 25, cost 1.37 rands, high 1.47, low 1.27. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, May 26, cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. In 3 weeks, Dogecoin estimate on Monday, May 29, cost 1.33 rands, high 1.42, low 1.24. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost 1.24 rands, high 1.33, low 1.15. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, May 31, cost 1.16 rands, high 1.24, low 1.08. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost 1.18 rands, high 1.26, low 1.10. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, June 2, cost 1.21 rands, high 1.29, low 1.13. In about a month, Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, June 5, cost 1.23 rands, high 1.32, low 1.14. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, June 6, cost 1.25 rands, high 1.34, low 1.16. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2023. Initially cost at 1.45 rands. Excessive cost 1.52, while low cost 1.08. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.30. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.16, change for May 20.0%. Dogecoin figure for June 2023. Before all else cost at 1.16 rands. Excessive cost 1.44, while low cost 0.90. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.12. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 0.97, change for June 16.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2023. Before all else cost at 0.97 rands. Excessive cost 1.10, while low cost 0.96. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.02. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.03, change for July 6.2%. Dogecoin figure for August 2023. Before all else cost at 1.03 rands. Excessive cost 1.03, while low cost 0.89. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.98. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 0.96, change for August 6.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at 0.96 rands. Excessive cost 0.96, while low cost 0.80. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.90. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.86, change for September 10.4%. Dogecoin gauge for October 2023. To start with cost at 0.86 rands, exorbitant cost 1.07, while low cost 0.86. The found the middle value of cost 0.95. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.00. Change for October 16.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2023. To start with cost at 1.00 rands, exorbitant cost 1.00, while low cost 0.78. The found the middle value of cost 0.91. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.84. Change for November 16.0%. Dogecoin gauge for December 2023. To start with cost at 0.84 rands, exorbitant cost 0.84, while low cost 0.66. The found the middle value of cost 0.76. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.71. Change for December 15.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at 0.71 rands, exorbitant cost 0.88, while low cost 0.71. The found the middle value of cost 0.78. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.82. Change for January 15.5%. Dogecoin gauge for February 2024. In the first place cost at 0.82 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.93, while low cost 0.81. The found the middle value of cost 0.86. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.87. Change for February 6.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 0.87 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.87, while low cost 0.75. The found the middle value of cost 0.83. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.81. Change for spring 6.9%. Dogecoin gauge for April 2024. In the first place cost at 0.81 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.91, while low cost 0.79. The found the middle value of cost 0.84. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.85. Change for April 4.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at 0.85 rands. Excessive cost 0.85, while low cost 0.66. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.77. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 0.71. Change for May 16.5%. ZAR to Doge conversion standard equivalent to 0.7032 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.7022 minus 0.7087. The earlier days nearby 0.7112. Change for now 0.0080. 1.12%. ZAR to Doge cost expectation for in the not so distant future in month. Rand to Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost 0.730 coins, high 0.787, low